Welcome to the journey into the mindset of millionaires, the world's most successful people who've achieved financial success. Today, we're not just talking about money. We're diving into the minds of those who've accumulated wealth and exploring what sets them apart. This is about their habits, their attitudes, their strategies. It's not about luck or inheritance, but about a mindset that navigates the path to financial success. We'll be unraveling the patterns woven into the minds of millionaires and billionaires around the globe. We'll support our narrative with hard facts, compelling figures, and insightful statistics. We'll dissect their philosophies, their approach to risk, their resilience in the face of failure, and their unwavering belief in their own potential. We aim to offer you a glimpse into the world of those who've mastered the art of wealth creation. So, are you ready to learn from the most successful people in the world? First, understand the importance of mindset in achieving financial success. Imagine a garden. Your actions and decisions are the flowers, fruits, and vegetables you see above ground. But what about what lies beneath? The roots, the soil, the earthworms and microbes that nourish and support the visible life above. That's your mindset. It's the unseen yet vital foundation on which everything else is built. Mindset is the lens through which you view the world. It's the framework that guides your decisions and actions. It's the architect of your reality. A positive and growth-oriented mindset can be the difference between financial success and failure. The statistics speak for themselves. A study conducted by Stanford University revealed that individuals with a growth mindset are 70% more likely to achieve financial success compared to those with a fixed mindset. This is because people who believe they can learn and grow are more likely to take fixed mindset. This is because people who believe they can learn and grow are more likely to take fixed mindset. This is because people who believe they can learn and grow are more likely to take fixed mindset. This is because people who believe they can learn and grow are more likely to take fixed mindset. This is because take risks, embrace challenges, and see failures as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. Consider the stories of some of the world's most successful individuals. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX and Tesla, attributes his success to his mindset. He once said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." That's the power of mindset. It's about believing and do it even if the odds are not in your favor. That's your ability to make a difference, despite the challenges that may arise. Or look at Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty to become one of the most influential women in the world. She attributes her success to her mindset, saying, "The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude." Our mindset can either be our greatest ally or our worst enemy. It can either propel us forward or hold us back. That's why it's crucial to cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset, forward or hold us back. That's why it's crucial to cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset, forward or hold us back. That's why it's crucial to cultivate a positive and growth. It's not just about thinking positively. It's about believing in your ability to learn, grow, and overcome challenges. Indeed, a millionaire's mindset is a powerful tool. Now, let's uncover the key traits of a millionaire's mindset. First up, persistence. This is the relentless pursuit of a goal, no matter the obstacles. Consider Thomas Edison, who made over 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb before finally succeeding. He once said, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time." Next, we have resilience. This is the ability to bounce back from failure. Many successful millionaires have faced setbacks and failures, but it's their resilience that sets them apart. Take J.K. Rowling, for instance, who was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was accepted. Today, she's one of the wealthiest authors in the world. Thirdly, creativity. This is the ability to think outside the box, to come up with innovative solutions to problems. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple, is a prime example of this. His innovative approach to technology has revolutionized the way we live and work. Last but not least, risk-taking. Millionaires understand that high reward often comes with high risk. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, is a perfect example. He risked his entire fortune to fund his companies, and now he's one of the wealthiest people on the planet. Now let's look at some numbers. According to a study led by psychologist Dr. Carol Dweck, individuals with these traits are significantly more likely to achieve financial success. the study revealed that 75% of self-made millionaires attribute their wealth to their mindset, with persistence, resilience, creativity, and risk-taking being the top traits. These traits are not exclusive to millionaires. They are traits that we all possess to some extent. The difference lies in how we nurture and apply them. While we may not all become millionaires, fostering these traits can undoubtedly lead to personal growth and success. These traits are the building blocks of a millionaire's mindset. Scene script. How can you develop these traits and cultivate a millionaire's mindset? Let's explore. Firstly, setting clear financial goals is paramount. Millionaires don't just stumble upon their wealth. They know exactly what they want, and they create a roadmap to get there. Setting goals allows you to focus on what you need to do to achieve financial success. It's not enough to say, I want to be rich. Instead, be specific. How much do you want to earn by a certain age? What investments do you want to make? What kind of lifestyle do you want to lead, and how much would that cost? According to a study by the Harvard Business School, the 3% of graduates who had clear written goals were earning, on average, 10 times as much as the other 97% put together. Secondly, invest in self-education. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more equipped you are to make sound financial decisions. Millionaires are lifelong learners who are always looking to improve their skills and knowledge. They read books, attend seminars, and constantly seek new information. A survey by Thomas Corley, author of Rich Habits, found that 88% of millionaires devote at least 30 minutes a day to self-education or self-improvement reading. Next, surround yourself with successful people. You've probably heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This is especially true when it comes to financial success. If you hang around people who are financially successful, their habits, mindset, and advice can rub off on you. A study by social psychologist Dr. David McClelland of Harvard found that the people you habitually associate with determine as much as 95% of your success or failure in life. Finally, embrace failure. Failure is not the end, but rather a stepping stone to success. Many millionaires have failed multiple times before achieving success. They see failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. In fact, according to a report by the Global Entrepreneurship Monitor, fear of failure is one of the main factors that deter people from starting their own businesses. However, those who have a millionaire's mindset embrace failure and use it as a stepping stone to greater success. Remember, developing a millionaire's mindset is not an overnight process. It requires time, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can increase their wealth and achieve financial success. With these strategies, you can start building your millionaire's mindset today. The journey to a millionaire's mindset is not a quick or easy one, but it's certainly worth it. You've heard it before, and it bears repeating because it's a truth that underscores the essence of financial success. We've walked through the corridors of the millionaire's mind, and we've seen the importance of mindset in achieving financial success. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but also about nurturing a mindset that sustains it. It's about being resilient, having a vision, being disciplined, and maintaining a positive outlook, even when the odds seem insurmountable. We've highlighted the key traits of a millionaire's mindset: the relentless pursuit of knowledge, the unwavering belief in one's abilities, the courage to take calculated risks, the knack for turning failures into stepping stones, and the patience to wait for the right opportunities. These are not just traits. They are the building blocks of a mindset that paves the way to financial success. But knowing these traits is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in adopting these traits, in making them a part of who you are. And that's where the strategies we discussed come into play. From setting clear financial goals, to adopting a growth mindset, to consistently investing in self-improvement, each strategy is a step towards developing a millionaire's mindset. Now it's up to you to put these lessons into practice, to take the first step on your journey towards a millionaire's mindset. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but also about the journey. It's about continuously learning, growing, and evolving. It's about understanding that setbacks are not roadblocks, but detours to a better route. It's about realizing that every failure is a lesson learned, every challenge an opportunity to grow. And above all, it's about believing in yourself, in your ability to achieve your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with the right mindset. So start cultivating your millionaire's mindset today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below.